Hi there everyone! So today I'm going to show you how to make a custom-made phone cover with any anime you like or any picture you like. I'm going to be using my Instax Polaroid and you're going to need a clear cover for this. So first of all, you need to go to Pinterest and then type the anime that you're interested in printing. For me, I'm going to do Howl's Moving Castle. Wow, there are so many pictures to choose from. So make sure you find a picture you like, save it, and get ready to print it. Okay, after you save the picture you want, you need to make sure you turn on your Instax and you connect it to your phone, your iPad, whatever device you're going to print from. So right now I connected it and I'm going to open the application. Now we can choose here the picture we want, so we go to simple print. Now you can change the way you want your picture, whether you want it vertical or horizontal. I think I'm going to do it this way because I think it's too pretty to be cropped. You can adjust it however you want. I'm gonna bring it a little bit here. Once I adjust it and I'm sure of how I want it, I press print. And now it should be printing. Now we wait for the picture to develop. Okay, as our picture starts to develop, which is turning out really nicely, as you can see, we're going to start to plan how we want to put this on the phone case. So what I usually use is I use this part that comes with the clear phone case, and I start planning how I'm going to want this picture on it. So I'm going to want it like this. And yeah, what I usually use is origami papers. I've got a bunch of origami papers. I got these from Daiso. If you can see, there are so many patterns to choose from. So based on the theme and the color you want to go with, you choose the patterns you want. I think I'm going to want something yellow to match Howl. So let's get some from here. And I don't think I'm going to use the side with the candy. I think I'm going to go with this plain side. So I want to use this. And the other color, let's see. I think I'm going to go with this pattern over here. So let's get that out too. Now I'm deciding if I want to use the fruit side or the plain side. I think I'm going to go with the plain. Yes, I think I'm going to go with the plain. So it kind of matches Howl and Sophie's colors in a way. So now I'm going to cut them in a way that suits my phone. I'm going to measure them based on this phone case and I'm going to cut it. Let's start with the yellow one first. Okay, I'm going to want this one to be the top one. Okay, let's mark where we should cut. Okay, I think all the way to here maybe. So let's cut this. You don't have to do this shape, you can do any other shape that you want. But I'm going to go with this one. Okay. This seems perfect. Now let's go with the other one. I'm going to want the other one to start from here all the way down here. So I think I'll cut it from here till here maybe. This one's so much easier to cut just because there are lines which you can trace. So this one's going to be like this. Yeah, I think that looks perfect. Now before you start gluing everything and sticking everything, you need to make sure that it's all positioned the way you want it to be. I think this is how I'm going to position it. Okay, so I've got so many stickers. So it's time to choose what stickers I want to go with. I have like these raised ones and I have flat ones. So I think I'm going to go with flat stickers because it's much easier to put under the cover. If I do want to put like these stickers that are kind of thick, I usually stick them on top of the case after I'm done. So right now let's just go with flat stickers. Let's pick some. Honestly, these are my favorite. As you can see, I already used a few. So I'm going to cut the ones that I think I want to use. Let's see. I start to imagine how they're going to look like, and based on that I start cutting. So I'm going to use this one. Okay, we can also use washi tape, which is very pretty. It will give us a different look. So let's see what we can use here. This looks like something that would look nice. So let's try. Maybe we can put this here instead. Yeah, let's cut a piece. Okay. I really like to use double tape, double-sided tape. I think I got this tape from Daiso if I'm not mistaken. But it's really easy to use, so let's do that. First of all, let's tape these two together. We just need a small piece. Okay, I think I'm going to put it on this edge. So much easier when you use double-sided tape than glue. Glue is too messy for me. I prefer double-sided tape. And then, let's see. Okay, I think this is perfect. See? Now you have the base. and it's not messy. It's all really clean. So for the Polaroid, I don't usually like to glue the Polaroid just because I feel, what if I want to change the picture later on? So I usually go with this photo corners. They look like this. I don't know if you can see. But we put this on the edges of the Polaroid. I'm gonna take 2. And that will help the Polaroid stick. Okay. So let's put one here. Here. Take your time. This might be a bit tricky, but take your time. Okay. These stick really well, surprisingly. Like, it's so hard to remove once you stick it. So make sure the Polaroid is exactly where you want it to be. Okay, see, I need to move it a little bit. It's pretty hard to move. I think it's actually ripping the paper. Okay, no. We moved it safely. Okay. We start adding the stickers. Let's start with this tape. I think I might put it here after all. So we don't want to stick it on this white piece because remember, we're not going to put this white piece with this design. So we need to stick it on this and on the Polaroid. So let's do that. Just going to do half of it. Okay, we've got half. Wow, this is perfect. This is really nice. And let's add the stickers that we chose. I think we went with this. Okay, let's see. This, maybe. And this was here. Maybe I will add one here. So I did add a few cute golden hearts. I thought I pressed record, but clearly it wasn't recording. So this is how it looks like. I sticked everything together. So this is the final result on the phone. Isn't it gorgeous? Let me show you guys closer. And it's as simple as this. You just need one phone case and a million other ideas. I'll show you guys what the other ones look like as well.